What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be recapping a trade that we took live, executed, made bank off of it in our group. And this trade was literally one of those perfect trades. You know, in day trading you have those moments, it's like everything goes your way. You hit your entry is almost perfect, never hits drawdown, hits all your TPs within 30 minutes, you're done, you go enjoy your day. You're like, damn, this is why I'm a day trader. So that's was one of those trades that we can learn a lot from. So I want to do a trade recap on the YouTube so everybody can learn from this. Not people just in my private group, because hey, they already caught this trade with me. They already made bank today. So let's help out everybody else. And if you do want to join the group and you're new, you never joined it before, click the link down below and use code 39 at checkout. It will be let you try the group for $39 in your first month. Where I live trade teach every single day. Promise you, you're gonna be very happy with the group. So let's talk about it. So about today's trade, it was Monday. Today was Monday. I think it'll be Monday when I upload this video. But we had this was the price action. Deleted. That's the trade. You saw it. A little spoiler, but I'll break it down why my target was there and everything else in between. So first thing I do on Monday is I look at the previous the Sunday open. The Sunday opens, you can see we had this big fair value gap here that needed to get tapped into. Hasn't gotten tapped into, so I had that marked. And we had a strong reaction pretty much right off the open into that gap with a bullish divergence also within Q. If you look at in Q right around that time, guess what? This was the low, hadn't gotten taken out. Its gap, it's all the way down here. This previous day close, that's what this dotted line is. So you can see we had this bullish move to the upside. But again, we did have a bullish move to the upside, but we still were in a pretty strong downtrend after we had taken out this high at 5533 in the London Asia session. We were in an overall downtrend. So I kept that in mind and I thought, okay, if we're going to bounce, but we're still in a bearish trend, where's more than likely going to be retracement? And guess where it's going to be? At the golden pocket, right there. If you want the fib settings, here's the fib setting. Take a screenshot of them. I don't know why 3 is there. 3 should not be there. But that's where they are. So the golden pocket. How do I mark my golden pocket? From the high, right, to the low. In this case, the low was here. And guess where they'll line up to? Right towards kind of the top of this counter trend. Again, I still want to see this previous day, 55,500, get tapped into, which was the bottom of the fair value gap that you see that the market opened up. Say within Q, I want to see 19,175 before I felt any type of extremely bullish for the week. So now I stayed patient. We see price goes up, and comes into our sweet golden pocket, where it can give me a safe short opportunity. Also, if you go to the 15-minute, we had the halfway point of a 15-minute fair value gap roughly. See right there. Look at where the candles close on the 15-minute, right there. So now I know my golden pocket is there. I know I have a fair value gap. We also had a bearish divergence. Look at this. This is the pre-market high for ES, and look at NQ. Pre-market high on NQ pushed over that high while ES was still much lower. Again, showing us overall weakness, right? Because in Q and ES typically should be making new highs together and new lows together. And if you don't get that, it's called a divergence. If you don't learn more about divergences, a bunch of videos on the YouTube channel. We have 600 videos. There's videos on bullish, bearish divergence, how to use them, how to spot them, how to implement it in your trading to make you better. So make sure you watch them. Now, I now want to do a short, and GP gives me the entry, and this 15-minute fair value gap gives me the stop loss. So I can use, if we close out of this 15-minute fair value gap, as my stop loss, right? And what am I targeting? I'm targeting this previous day as my full TP. Of course, I'm probably scaling off and taking out the re-risking on my way down, but I'm looking for that previous day close that needs to be filled. You know, more often than not, I will say 70% of the times this will be a target on Mondays, if not Tuesdays, the latest. And you know, it's a high risk reward chance. I tell people always ask me, Antonio, what is your bias for the day? And I tell them this: I do not have a bias. My bias is I look at a chart and say, okay, where does price make sense? Price makes sense to retrace to my golden pocket and then give me a tight stop loss to then target a key area. In this case, it will be this previous day magnet down here that needs to be tapped into. That's what trading is. Trading is not really, I don't care where the 4 p.m. is going to be at. I don't care where the 4 p.m. close is going to be at. I care about what are the key areas that I can take high risk reward trades from. That's what I care about. I don't care about really anything else. So that's exactly what this trade was. Also, with this trade, you have to understand that you have to you can't cutting it too early. So a lot of mistakes people make closing it after this first or second red candle. because they're too excited, because they're just not trusting their trades. You have to trust your trades. You have to trust your PTs. Because the long term it's going to ruin your risk to reward. So I make sure that everybody, like, if you're following along my trades, you're taking your own trades, just have faith that you're gonna hit the TPs. And if you can't, say your orders and then try to walk away. Because no, I'm not a fan of hard stop losses, but as a beginner trader, sometimes it's what you need, just because you're not having faith in your own trades. So always breakdown helped. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Drop your boy a follow. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. Maybe we'll do some kind of bootcamp, who knows, or some shit when that happens. And as always, peace.